Hello. Hello, Mr. Henry, Mr. Ryan, are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are talking about this RPN, reverse Polish.
Polish notation.
Yeah, reverse Polish.
It's rich.
Notation, okay?
It's rich.
So I'm going to explain to you.
Polish.
Okay, come now, look. If I want to calculate 3, you know the normal mathematics, yeah, let's say 3 plus 2 times 4, what's the answer?
11.
11. Okay, so why is it 11? Because the multiply, yeah, takes priority over the plus, right? So we calculate the multiply first, right? So multiply and division takes over priorities than plus and minus, yeah? Okay? Got it?
Mm.
Okay, then how about if I want to do this? 3 plus 2 times 4 equals
20.
20. Okay, so this reverse Polish notation is basically the purpose of it is to get rid of the brackets. Yeah, because we are introducing the brackets to
What
change.
if there isn't any times? How about the
That's right. I'm talking about these 2 examples. So look.
3 plus 2 times 4.
Yeah. So look, we are introducing the parentheses to change the order, right? Sit down, please. Yeah. So we don't want that, right? So this reverse Polish notation is you know, the purpose of it is to get rid of parentheses and then can be used to express these 2 situations. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, so for this one.
That doesn't make any sense to the meaning. Reverse Polish notation.
Okay, so it's just the meaning.
Reverse
probably
is like backwards, and
Yeah,
Polish
yeah.
is like ooh la la.
reverse, I show you. Polish is, you know, is the people from Poland, eh? Yeah, you know the Polish, the country.
Oh, I thought you mean like really rich or something,
No.
or like making stuff clean.
Polish, like this notation was invented by some Polish scientists. Okay, can you sit down, please? Not just jumping around. Okay, look. So this one.
Jumping.
So it will be 2, 3.
I'm zigzag.
2. Okay, so it will be 2, 4 times plus. Okay, and then this one will be what? 3, 2 plus 4 times. Okay? So do you see how this is working? So look, these 2, these will be converted to RPM like that, and these will converted to RPM like that. Okay, can you imagine how we're going to evaluate this and this?
They're the same with the same characters.
Yeah. So this is this one. Exactly. This is this one. So.
Yeah, but it doesn't have any parentheses, so you can't tell which is which.
But we don't need. That's the beauty of reverse. So what's
Yeah,
reverse?
but how
What's
do you
the
know
reverse?
this one is this one without?
Yeah. But look. So every time we have this operation, yeah, we take the previous 2, add it. So 2 times 4, 8. Yeah. So we change it to 8. Okay, and we'll keep going. Plus, we take the previous 2. 3 plus 8, 11. How about this one? 3, 2, okay. Operation. So what do we need to do?
Yeah.
Take the previous 2. 3 plus 2,
5.
5.
How
Replace it.
about the times thing?
Okay, look, 5 and 4.
How about the times thing?
Now we take the previous 2. Look, 5 and 4, 20. Do you see it? Do you see how this works?
Yeah, but I don't get it. Why do you do this one the times first and this one the plus first?
I just show you. What do you mean you don't understand?
Because why do you do the times first on this one? And
No. From the left to right, when we meet an operation, we take the previous 2. That defines that. Look.
Yeah, but when we start here, there was a times. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So look at this one. Okay. Look. 3, 2 plus 4 times. Right?
Yeah.
So you say why we don't take this one, right?
Yeah.
Because look, we scan from left to right. The first operator we see is plus. So what does it mean? We take the previous 2 and we plus it. So we keep going. We take the previous 2. So do you see the reverse Polish notation already defines the order? Got it?
Oh.
Yeah? Make sense? Okay, so I'm going to write another one. Okay, so can you convert it to reverse Polish notation? Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3, easy, and 1 plus 2 times 3. Okay, so for this one,
That's 6.
I know. So how can we convert it to reverse Polish notation? 1
1,
and 2
2 plus 3.
and what? There are 2 operators. We only have 1. What?
Plus.
Yeah. Okay. So what does it mean? 1, 2. Okay. We have plus. What does it mean? We take the previous 2 on the stack. Yeah. So it look 1, 2, 3. So it's like that. Okay. 1, 2 plus 3 plus. Yeah. So
It's better if you reverse it.
yeah. Look, this is reverse it. Look, because it reverse it. So plus we take the 2 and take the 1 and then we add it together, will be 3, and then we keep going, 3 and 3, right? Because 3 and then plus we take the previous 2. Okay, and how about this one? 1 is the 1, yeah, 1 and then
Why 1?
1. But we want to calculate these 2 first.
Yeah, so I thought we
Okay, so how do?
I thought we do like 2, 3 times.
Okay, 2, 3 times and then what? Plus 1. So where's 1? Where do we put the 1? Where to put the plus? If you do the 1 here, that will become 2 times 3 plus 1. But what we want is 1 plus 2 times 3. So what do we do? 1 plus. Make sense?
Yeah.
Look, 2, 3 multiply. We change it to 6. 1, 6 plus.
7.
Yeah, you see? Okay. So given this reverse, okay. So the problem today is easier. It's not ask you to convert a mathematical expression to a reverse Polish notation, but instead we are already given a RPN, right? It's already valid, and we just want to evaluate the values of it. Evaluate the expression RPM, right? So how do we do it? How do we do it? How do we do it?
By brute forcing?
What do you mean brute forcing? We given this 1, 2 plus 3 times. Okay. So how this is the okay. This is array. Okay. Array of expression. Expression equals that. Yeah. 3, 2. Yeah. And operation. Okay. Yeah. So how do we evaluate? So we go through.
From the beginning.
Yeah, we go through the beginning. 3, 1.
Until the E.
Okay, look. Okay, look. 3, 1, 2. Okay. These numbers, that's fine. If it's a number, we push it to a stack. Remember, what's stack? What's stack?
It's just this recursion thing that.
What's a stack? First thing.
First is last out.
First thing, last out. Look, stack, right? Look. We put when we have numbers, we put it in the stack, right? 3, 1, 2. Oh, now we have the operator with no numbers. Now what do? We take 2 numbers out of the stack.
Yeah.
And what do? Based on the operator, we can do this operation, right? So plus, so let's put a 3 here, right?
Yeah.
And then now I keep going, multiply. What do we do?
Times with 3 before, so it's 9.
So we take 2 numbers out,
Yeah.
and then we do the operation, yeah, and then put it back, 9. And
That's what I said.
okay, the last.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, so the value will
That's
be
what I
what?
said.
The value will be what?
9.
What's 9? The top of the stack. The top of stack. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a boss.
What's the time complexity if we doing this way? What's the time complexity?
N.
Yeah. Define, evaluate, RPN. We got the let's just do it array, okay? Array of like that, okay? So we will have a stack answer. Let's put it answer. Let's put a stack, okay? Stack equals. How do we define the stack in Python? How do we define the stack?
Well, we just.
How do we define the stack? How do we define the stack? How do we define what's this?
List.
Yeah.
Bracket.
Yeah. Okay, then now how? Okay, so let's say for E in ARR. Okay, yeah. Okay. So look, first of all, we want to define the list of operation. We can put it in a dictionary, right? So let's say, look at operation, supporting operation equals what? Curly brace. Look at me, curly brace. And then we can set add. So these, right? Add minus the subtract times division, okay? So these add. So we want to define the add key. The keys are the operations, right? And the values are the actual operation function, which we can define as lambda. What is lambda? A short function. Okay, so we can do this lambda. Okay, I don't know how to spell lambda. A B.
I think you spelled it wrong.
Okay, that's fine. Lambda A B returns A plus B. Okay, and then look, lambda
That's not how
A B.
spell lamb, then DA.
Yeah, num.
A changed to B and that's all.
Lambda. Okay.
And
A
you take
minus
away
B.
the A next to it.
L A what? How to spell it?
Like this. LAM D
D A. Okay. D A. Okay, I was missing this name and D A. Okay. Name. D A. Lambda. Look, the lambda is a short function. Takes two parameters, and then which you use a column to define what it does. So which is A minus B. Okay. So look at A B. What do we put here? A times B. And what? Lambda. Yeah. A B A divided by B. Okay. If we only keep the integer part. Okay. Yeah. So look. This operation will be the dictionary. The keys will be the operators we supported, which we can define more. We can extend this, but so far.
Okay.
So we only support 4. Plus,
Okay, what if there-
subtract, multiply, and divide.
What if there was a divide and I think divide is harder
Yeah, it's the same. Look, it's the same.
because what
3
if you
divided
can't
by
divide
2.
it
Yeah.
equally?
Sorry?
What if you can't divide equally?
That's why we use the integer. But that's why we have this integer part, okay? Yeah? Now we have these operators, okay? The keys are the operators. The values are the corresponding lambda function. Lambda is a short function, yeah? A function. Now for E, look, then we say, if E in operators, what does it mean? Eh? If E in operators, then we need to take two numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 1, num 2. Okay, so first of all, we take the number 2 first, okay? Num 2 equals st.pop. And num 1 equals st.pop, right? So we have two numbers. So what should we do? Then we can say, we push the value back, yeah? st.append. Append what? The operators, yeah? Operators E, this is a function, and we take the n1, n2, yeah? Okay, so this is, look at me. Operators E is the lambda function, right? The E is the operator. Operators E is the lambda function. And then we can call it, given it two parameters, n1 and n2. Because the first number we take it from the stack is the second, the 1 plus 3. When we push it into the stack, it's 1 and 3. The first number we take it is 3, it's the second number, and 2. The second time we take it is the first number. So look, we're calling this lambda function and giving it two parameters, n1 and n2, okay? Let's say. As what? As E is a number, so we just pushing it to the stack, right? So st.append what? Append what?
Operate.
E is the number, so we convert it to integer, E. Okay, that's it. And then return what? Come on, return what?
Stack.
Return what? The top of stack, how do we?
Pop.
No. What's the top of stack?
The number. No. Just E. No.
What's the, how do we get this? If stack, look, stack is this is stack. This is final number if it is
Stack
9.
dot pop.
No. The ST is now has one number. How we can get the 9? ST what?
Dot pop.
Yeah. We can do ST dot pop.
He said that. And
Oh,
we said that.
Oh, we can do this.
Yeah, I said
if we not
He
popping, we
said
can do
it.
this.
We said it.
Okay, then
we
what?
said that.
I said another way of doing it. What should I put here?
Pop.
ST dot pop is taking it out and return it. If I don't want to take it out, I just want to return the value. What's this value? ST what?
ST.
Which number is it?
Value.
Which number? Which
Eh,
index?
look.
Which
Eh.
index? This is the list. Come on.
0.
0. The first number will be the top of stack, right? Because it's only one number, okay?
Yeah.
Actually, it's not the top of. No. Actually, it's not 0. It's -1 because we are returning the last one, right? The last one, right? Got it? Here, the
60 minutes.
ST0 is the same as ST-1, but the meaning is different, right? The meaning is different. ST-1, what does it mean? It's the top of the stack, right? So that's the one we want. We want to retrieve the value of. Okay, so can you tell me the difference? ST dot pop and ST-1.
If you have this and then you just pop it, it's just gone.
It's just go and return 9, right? But if this one, what does it do?
You just return the 9.
But what happened to the stack? Does it change?
No.
That's the difference, okay? So this one we just retrieve it. You know the peak. What's this meaning?
Peak.
Peak and pop. What's the difference between peak and pop?
Peak and pop. Peak means
Peak,
you.
like you pick. You just pick, but you pick. You know the value of the top is 9, but you don't change it. You don't pop it. But pop it is what? I take it out. I already know. I take it out. You see? Got the difference.
Yeah.
What's the time complexity? Okay, right? Because we are going through the RPN, right? Character by character, okay? Okay, got it? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to erase these 2 bits.
No.
Just these 2 bits. Okay. I can say st dot append. This is easy. Operator C called. Okay, so what's n1? What's n2? N2 equals what? N1 equals what? Come on.
Stack dot pop.
Start the pop. And then here.
Stack dot pop.
Easy, yeah? You just pop in 2 numbers when we meet the
Huh?
operation,
Oh,
yeah? Yeah? Easy, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it for today.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye 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 bye.